And I lagging right out. I was like, what's going on? This makes no sense. And then
Which one of you guys slayed me, and which one of you guys is invulnerable? Because duels don't work that way.
Exactly. We're going taunt kills, not shoots.
3, 2, 1.
I'm going to the cost server, Falcon.
Taunt kills versus
I didn't give you God mode.
And
he said the troll face voice.
I didn't even give myself God mode actually until I realized you had God mode.
Hey, aim tight. When you're done,
I'm gonna headbutt you.
I think someone's trolling us here.
Okay, aim tight.
What?
Send me a message when you're so we can play League of Legends.
It's fun when you have
I want to 1v1 you.
1v1 Fortnite earlier. And so played as Lux, and she just
What?
and so decided to go, I'm gonna ulti
I
you,
know.
die from like double lane.
Bring it!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The point is now
Ready, Val?
available for capture.
This BR.
Brazil. Nerf now is number one in Brazil. Wait. It's not Mordekaiser, it's Mord.
Cam, StarCraft 2. Yeah. But we're going down rank. It'll take us longer if we play like...
I don't care about our rank, that's why I'm not playing.
Where are you? Mission begins in 30 seconds. Lol lol lol. That is funny.
You know, I'm almost dead. That could kill me.
Hi, Stitches.
Stitches!
Hello.
We need to do a dungeon in
Set
a
up
minute,
again.
okay?
Hey, Stitches. You want in for some taunt kills recording? You want to do some taunt kills while being recorded?
Bob commented.
Yes or no?
No, it's over, man. The event's over. Everyone's leaving now.
Well, this has been... Yeah.
It lasted,
Well,
man.
this is the end of the thing then.
5,
Good day.
Does anyone want to play League of Legends?
3, 2, 1.